Hi everyone, my name is Mona and I'm a youth services librarian at the Burton Bar Central Library. Today I'm coming to you from home to show you a fun STEM craft that you can do with materials you hopefully have lying around your house. Today we are going to make a homemade harmonica, and we're going to need 2 wide mouth popsicle sticks. We're going to need a Q-tip, 2 rubber bands, some cardstock, paper, construction paper, something to draw with, and a pair of scissors. To get started, we're going to trace our popsicle stick on our paper, and this is going to be the inner part of our harmonica, and it's actually what's going to help us make the noise of the harmonica. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to trace that, and then we're going to go and cut it out. All right, we've got that cut out. We're going to go ahead and take our Q-tip and we're going to cut off the ends of it. And then we're going to go ahead and cut it in half. We've got our 2 ends there. And we're going to go and assemble our harmonica. So what we're going to do is have our bottom layer here. We're going to have our layer of paper. And then our top popsicle stick like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to insert the little pieces of Q-tip in between the popsicles. So one of them is going to go below the paper. That. And the other one is going to go above the paper. You can have it on either ends. This is going to create kind of a rippling effect in our paper that's going to make our noise. So once we've got it kind of pinched between there, we can take our rubber bands and wrap them around the ends. You can push in your Q-tip a little bit if you don't have room at the end. Now, if you don't have a Q-tip, you can also use a toothpick. That works just as well. It's just something to kind of give some elevation and height to our harmonica. And that's pretty much it for a homemade harmonica. To play it, you're going to kind of buzz your lips at the center. And I apologize in advance to any parents. You can also pair this with a homemade kazoo or a homemade flute for your own band. What's basically happening is the sound is reverberating off of the paper inside, and that's getting amplified. And depending on how the paper is, the sound's going to sound a little bit different as you move your mouth along it. Now, if you want, you can also decorate your harmonica, so it doesn't have to be just kind of the boring beige. Whatever you do, have fun with it.